I really think not getting physical activity is just horrible. It's horrible, horrible. It's been a while. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mina. I'm a culinary school grad and former professional cook. Most of the times I give you recipe videos for anabolic recipes, healthy recipes, whatever you want to call it. Today it's a little bit different. So this is going to be an update on what's been going on a little bit in my life, how the bulk has been going. That I think is going to help me with accountability on my part, and it may even help anyone out there who's listening to this. I don't know, maybe. And it's gonna keep everything transparent. I went on a bulk a few months back because I thought I was just way too skinny at the time, and I felt like I needed more strength, I needed more muscle on. I injured myself, I injured my back, and it was simply due to incorrect form. That's it. And then a few weeks after that, I also rolled my ankle pretty badly. So I was just pretty immobile for a while. It almost began a cycle of just being lazy and just not moving around. And it almost got harder and harder every day because it almost became a loop where, you know how most of us actually go to the gym, not just for physical benefits, but also for mental benefits. A lot of us just need to go there and just release mentally, right? And this is where we do it. Losing that part where you just, you have this thing that you go to for a mental release, it almost made it worse and made it harder afterwards. I do have to say, not going to the gym for the past few months or just going very sparingly. I've been going maybe twice a month just to be active. I am walking. I'm not really lifting a lot of weights right now. As you can tell, I'm just not looking the greatest. And it really does affect you mentally. I don't know about you guys, but it really does affect you mentally when you just are used to it and then all of a sudden it's gone and you're not getting physical activity. I really think not getting physical activity is just horrible. It's horrible, horrible. And then also as a consequence, my diet suffered. So I really wasn't sticking to my protein intake. I wasn't sticking to my calories. I was just kind of eating what I wanted. So if you couple that with not really working out, I pretty much just gained weight and not in a good way. My immediate goal right now is to cut because I just don't like where I am right now. I feel way too chubby. I just don't like it. I don't like the way that I fit into my clothes. I don't like what I see. It just doesn't feel good. It sucks, but I do need to go back on a cut, and I'm just gonna do it the same way that I've done it before. Obviously, watch your calories, protein intake up. For me, the cardio that did the most work in my weight loss journey the first time around was walking. Literally just walking. On some days, I would go for a jog. I would jog a few miles, but literally just walking every day is the best thing ever. It's easy. You can do it while you're listening to a podcast. You can literally do it for hours. It's very easy. It's very easy on your joints. So that's my plan again this time around. I'm gonna do the same exact thing that I did before to lose weight and just try to retain as much muscle mass that I possibly can. At this point, my back is finally starting to make some recovery and I'm finally able to get to the gym and at least do some lifts and retain some of my muscle that I have. It's gonna be a journey. It's gonna be a journey back. But we're here for it. This is what we gotta do. We just gotta keep fighting back. This is almost like a motivation video that I made for myself here. It's just a lot easier for me when I talk to the camera. But for anyone else out there that may be in the same situation or in a similar situation, just keep it going. Go at your own pace. Just go at your own pace. What is right for you? That is my plan for now. I'm gonna go on a cut. I'm gonna try to lose about at least 20 pounds, and then I'm gonna reestablish where I am and then see if I need to bulk again or what I'm gonna need to do or maybe maintain. We'll see where we are in I don't know, maybe like 3 months, 4 months. We'll see where it is. Hopefully in 4 months, we'll be down about 20 pounds. That's the plan. Follow my Instagram for more updates, for more daily updates or semi-daily updates. And also don't forget to tag me on Instagram as well. All the recipes that you make, let me see them. I love to see what you guys are making, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.